Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to do a products I've used up video. I'm probably going to go as quick as I can, but give a quick review because my battery's running low and I gotta get this done. So, first things first, the Alterna CC Cream. 10-in-1 correcting cream, or complete correction. It's amazing. I use this on the ends of my hair after I towel dried my hair. It's amazing. I highly recommend. It's great. It has heat protection. It does 10 things. It does moisture, shine, smoothness, softness, UV protection, manageability, strength, anti-breakage, heat protection, and light hold. So I really suggest this product. It's my leave-in conditioner that I use every time I wash my hair. Next is my Sephora Mini Solid Brush Cleaner. This is my favorite brush cleaner of all time. I also used it to clean my beauty blender as well. Unfortunately, they only sell it in the small size now, from what I've seen, unless they repackaged it and made a bigger size, but this is the best brush cleaner ever. Solid brush cleaners are the way to go. I stopped using liquid a long time ago. Next are my essences / toners. These are more essences. This essence is the SK2 Facial Treatment Essence. I love this, so good. Highly recommend. I would buy this over and over if I could, but these are just like from the 250 point perk at Sephora, so that is how I got this one. This one is the Caudalie Concentrated Brightening Essence. This is part of a Caudalie box I got, and I love this. This is a 500 point perk that I got, and I really like this product. Cerave Moisturizing Cream. If you have eczema or really dry skin, this will help you because it has ceramides in it that helps repair your skin. So this is amazing to help repair and give you that moisture that you need back into your skin. Amazing. Next is, this is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Sea Collagen Super Serum. This comes in a bi-phase type of packaging, so you gotta shake it up before you use it. I really like it. This is more for, it was okay in the winter time. I feel like it was okay in the wintertime for Vancouver, but it's not okay in the wintertime in Canada. I feel like in Canada this would be okay for the fall. But if you're in a very cold climate, I wouldn't suggest this, but if you're oily, I would stay away from this. These ones are the Advanced Night Repair, the Estee Lauder one. This is the mini size, this is the large size. I finished both of them. I have used this before and I really like this serum. I do also use it during the day as well, so this one I don't mind. I make sure I wear sunscreen in the day if I do use it, and I really like it. This is the Acne Spot Treatment. I remember putting this in a products I've used up, but I stopped using it because it has expired in 2019. So this is a Peter Thomas Roth Acne Spot Treatment, and it's really good. It has sulfur in it and also glycolic acid and vitamin C and E, so it's really good, but I didn't use it fast enough in order to fully enjoy the product, so unfortunately it has expired. So 1 year ago. More skincare. This is this SK2 RNA powder, so the Radical New Age is the moisturizing cream. I love this product. I used this while I was here and I'm obsessed. If I had the money to buy the full size, I would, and I really like it. For those of you who don't know, I have really dry eczema skin, very dry skin, and these are the products I've been using. This is the Ren Clean Skincare Vitamineral Emollient Rescue Cream. I'm not sure if they still carry this product in Canada, but I remember buying a few backups of this when I was in London, England, and I really did enjoy it. I use this on my hands and I also use this on my face as well, but I mainly focus this one on my hands. And I really like it. I have repurchased this a few times before. Next one is the Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream. This is our newest packaging that they have. I really do enjoy this product. This one is for normal to dry skin. The Laneige Water Bank Moisturizing Cream, and I like it. It's great for, like I said, Vancouver weather, but if it's like colder, you probably need something a little bit thicker. I would go for like the moisturizing cream, but for the very dry skin. And the last skincare product is my Chanel The Lift Cream. I know this is like extra bougie, but this is the Lift Cream. I really like it. This is the one that's in the middle consistency. This is not the rich version. There's two different kinds. There's the gel, the cream, and the gel, the cream, and the rich. And this is the one that's right in the middle. I really do like it. The smell, however, kind of bothers me. I'm not gonna lie, but it's like more on the natural base side. It's nice. If you have the money, it's great. And I do notice a difference in my hydration levels, and my skin feels very plump afterwards, and I really do enjoy it. I use this one at night. I didn't use this during the day. And again, I use this during the day. I didn't use this one at night. The last ones are my makeup products. So the primer I finished is the Estee Lauder Genuine Glow. It is a priming moisturizing balm. So it does fill in lines and pores, and it gives you some hydration. However, I'm not sure if they carry this product anymore, so I'm not sure if I was able to repurchase this. I got this at the Estee Lauder sale, so I'm not sure if it still is available now, but I did like it. I mixed it with my Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow, so it gives me hydration, it gives the blurring, but I think this one also, not gonna lie though, I think it might have clogged my pores because I wasn't cleaning my face properly, I think, but I usually do, but for some reason I think this one just clogged my pores, so it's not non-comedogenic, it does clog your pores. This one is the First Day Beauty Bendy Avocado Concealer. I really do enjoy this concealer, and as you guys see, I did remove the stopper out of my concealers. I tell people this all the time, remove the stopper, you get way more product out. I'm in the shade number 2. I really do enjoy this. It's medium coverage, natural finish, and it's gorgeous. You can wear this alone on your face and you'll look completely fine. This one is the YSL Touche Eclat All-in-One Glow Foundation. This is the color B30. This is one of my favorite foundations of all time. I really wish it wasn't as pricey and I didn't fall in love with such a high luxurious product, but I have. But this is the color B30, like I said. This foundation is so good that I skipped my skincare routine one time because I was running late, and I put this on and my skin still looked immaculate at the end of the day. It's medium to full coverage, more on the medium side, and it's a dewy natural finish, so if you like that look, this is for you. Again, it's the YSL Touche Eclat All-in-One Glow Foundation. I'm in the color B30. And the last one is the Benefit They're Real Mascara. I really do enjoy this mascara. I remember when it first came out, it was like the false lash effect, like it was like a push-up bra sort of situation, and I really do like this. It is water resistant, so you gotta make sure you're using a waterproof makeup remover to remove it off. But I really do like this for my Asian lashes. I do see a difference, and it doesn't transfer on my lower lash line, which I do like because the whole water resistant thing. And yeah, that is my products I've used up since March 2020. Hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.